Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you a 1-minute scalping strategy using the Heikin RSI oscillator indicator and test it 100 times in a row so you guys can see how it performs over a series of trades. First, before getting into things, I do want to shout out my affiliate, Capitalize.ai. It's the best place to go if you're interested in automated trading. It's code free, so anyone can do it. Check out my link in the description down below if interested. Now let's get into the strategy here and just start with the indicator itself, as it's probably not the most well-known indicator out there. So if you just type in Heikin Ashi, it's going to be called Heikin RSI oscillator by J. Rogers. All right. And this is what it looks like, but the settings have been changed a little bit. This one was requested from a subscriber. They wanted me to test this strategy out. And so here is the test video. The settings that I was told to use, 7 for the open smoothing. And that is it for changing the settings, although I did get rid of a couple things that were just unnecessary and not needed as part of the strategy. That's the only setting that is actually changed. All right, so this indicator, how am I going to use it in a strategy? Essentially, you have the 200 period exponential moving average here, and this just is going to operate as the trend direction filter. So prices below, only taking shorts, prices above, only taking long positions. For a short position, what I need to see happen is the Heikin RSI indicator comes up to the 50 line, the 0 line, my bad. And then you see that next red Heikin bar. So basically looking for a pullback into the 0 line and then a continuation with a red bar for a short position. So you can see, for an example here, we get the pullback into the 0 line. Then we get the red bar for an entry signal right on this candle. Stop loss placed just above the swing high and targeting 2 times the risk. And then again, over here, we get the pullback into the 0 line and then continuation. We get the red Heikin bar here for the signal for entry. And then stop loss goes just above the swing high, targeting 2 times the risk. And it's the exact opposite for a long position. So let me just go back here and we'll take a look at a long trade. So here's an example of a long trade. So for long, when price is above the 200 period exponential moving average, we're looking for the pullback that is going to the 0 line or below, and then we're looking for a green signal with the Heikin RSI indicator, and that happens right here. So we get the entry, stop loss goes below the swing low, targeting 2 times the risk, and this one was good as well. There's another one which looks like a failure. So we get the pullback into the 0 line, then the green bar for a long position, and this one does not make it to 2 times the risk. So that one is a loss. So that's the strategy I'm going to be testing. Super, super simple. Not too much more to explain there. So I think that it's about time that I get into the 100 tests, with the warning that on the 1-minute time frame, commissions and fees are going to be a huge, huge obstacle. So I'm going to talk about that later, but let's get into the test for now. All right, the results are in after the 100 backtested trades on Bitcoin against the US dollar. So let's review. This was tested on the 1-minute time frame using a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. It took 3 days of price data for the 100 trades, and there were 44 winning trades and 56 losing trades. The most lost in a row was 6, and the most won in a row was 10. The gain on the account, if risking 1% per trade, 32%. So it sounds absolutely out of this world. 32% in 3 days sounds insane, but it's not nearly as good as you think once the commissions are accounted for. Let's talk about the commissions and why they make almost any 1-minute trading strategy either in the negative or barely profitable. So With the fees, the round trip fees on a losing trade means you take 2 market executions, each one on Bybit being 0.075%. So you pay a round trip fee of 0.15%. That is massive when you're on the 1 minute time frame dealing with a stop loss of 0.18%. 0.15% fee on top of that is going to be a huge deal for those losing trades. For the winning trades, it's not as bad because you're paying a market execution for the entry, 0.075%. But then for the take profit target, it will be a limit order. So you're going to get a rebate of 0.025%. So round trip fee will be 0.05%. Instead of 0.15. So it's 1/3 of the fee that you would pay if you have a losing trade. So, it's not going to be nearly as big of a deal for the winning trades, but when you have those losses, you're really going to get destroyed by fees. And for a 1 minute time frame strategy, it would be essential that you have an extremely high win rate just to try to avoid as much of those fees as possible. But yeah, ultimately, hopefully that helps you understand how it's going to make profiting very, very difficult when you're paying such a large fee. If we take a look at some of these, you have a profit target that's 0.5% away from the entry, sometimes less on these smaller ones, even as low as 0.25% for the profit target. And often the stop loss is less than 0.5%, often 0.2, 0.15, very, very low, just tiny little moves where the fees really will eat away at your account. So yeah, that's why I don't advise trading on the 1 minute time frame. And I wish people would talk about this more because scalping and 1 minute time frame trading is so popular. My most viewed videos are all about scalping. So yeah, just wanted to caution everyone and keep things realistic here. It's going to be very difficult to stay profitable trading on a 1 minute time frame. So that being said, let's kind of take a look at the areas where this performs really well and the areas where it doesn't perform well at all. So the 6 losses in a row were taken right here. You can see this span of trades. And yeah, that's just what it is. When you get this kind of choppy action and you're using a trend following strategy, it's going to wreak havoc on your account, especially when you're losing so much to fees on losses. And when the market is trending really nicely, you're going to have a bunch of winners. So this whole section here, really, really, really amazing results. So I got to here and I was thinking, oh, wow, this strategy is performing incredibly well. But then market goes sideways for an extended period of time. So all of these trades really brought down the results, and there was almost no profit made in this entire range. Almost all the profit was made throughout this very strong trending portion of the test. So keeping things realistic with a 1 minute strategy, you're probably not going to be profitable trading on the 1 minute time frame. You're going to be a lot better off sticking with the higher time frames. Think 15 minutes and up, ideally, hourly time frame or in that area. But anyway, just wanted to talk about that a little bit more in depth and why it's so hard to profit with a 1 minute time frame strategy if you're on a broker that has even pretty low fees. It's still going to be a big deal. You really need some. If you can find a broker that has next to zero fees, then you'll be a lot better off and it'll be a lot easier. But I don't know of any good cryptocurrency brokers that are better than Bybit. So yeah, good luck with that. You will need to have a broker with almost no fees if you want to trade on the 1 minute time frame. So anyway, let's check out the results compared to all the other tests on the strategy ranking spreadsheet. All right, here it is on the strategy ranking spreadsheet, falling at spot number 30 out of 73 strategies tested and put on the spreadsheet so far. So it's doing pretty well, kind of in that middle range. But of course, I already talked about the big glaring issue with this being on the 1 minute time frame. You're going to get really eaten up by fees and commissions. So definitely recommend maybe adapting it to a higher time frame. And it would probably perform better. Even if you're so interested in getting these quick gains, 32% in only 3 days, it's not going to happen that way. You're not actually going to have a 32% gain on the account in 3 days. You're going to be left with next to nothing after fees and commissions, if anything. So just wanted to be, extra vocal about that in this video, because I've had a lot of comments in the past about my 1-minute time frame strategies. People are saying they should be ranked at the very top of the strategy ranking spreadsheet because they have the gain on the account happening in such a short period of time. But the reality is that gain on the account figure won't even be close to what it says here, which, it doesn't make this worthy of a #1 spot on the strategy ranking spreadsheet just because it happens in only 3 days. Hopefully that makes sense. The strategy itself isn't better just because it's happening in a shorter period of time. You can adjust a lot of these strategies down to a much lower time frame and get faster results if that's what you wish to have. But just wanted to be extra cautious about what I say with 1-minute time frame strategy in this video, and don't want to mislead anyone with that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.